Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. Well, cases are rising here again, NYC. But nobody's mentioning it because they got the antivirals cocked and ready to go. You know? It's still a big mystery why cases aren't rising here, actually. Some say there's been enough immunity from the BA1 variant, and so, you know, almost half of Americans got BA1. I had my Omicron holiday season, believe me. Oh boy, that was a dandy. But yeah, it's a mystery why it's not ticking up here. They closed a couple of Broadway plays recently, and the mayor has it now. And yeah, but free antiviral medication for anybody who resides here. So I think you have to use it early on in the onset, kind of like Tamiflu, I guess, for the flu. So yeah, I thought this pandemic would be over by now. The Spanish flu, which the flu that we have running around now, it's still remnants from that a century ago. So I thought we were wrapping it up here, but not quite. I mean, I think we are. But China's in lockdown. We are not going to lock down no matter what. It's if you survive, you survive. Basically, they don't have billions to throw back into reopening the economy here and stuff. As far as the economy here, this is NYC. We're about at 80%. We're not at 100%. 80%. And yeah. So, what do you guys think is going to happen out there? This is a subject that I talk about once in a while. Maybe I'm an expert in it to some of you guys. An expert sometimes is, even if you know 10% more than most people, you could be an expert in it. So I don't stay glued to the mainstream media to get my information, by the way. I get it from other sources, not the mainstream media. You want to live in a bubble a little bit, and you want to get not just from the news, New York Post, New York Times, that kind of shit. Okay? So, yeah. You want a little bit of a bubble. Get more information that way. Your mind stays clear that way. Anyway, this is Rafe West. Let me know what you guys think on this topic. Click on the links below. I have other money-making opportunities. One of them I can't mention on here, so you would have to contact me for that. But I'll leave the other links in there. Hustlers University 2.0. And any other links that I think are of some value to you folks. So let me know what kind of content also you want to see here. Do you want to see crazy things happening around NYC? I could bring you that sometimes if I time it right. What do you guys want to see and hear on the channel? Leave me some comments about that, and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, which is a like. And consider subscribing. This is Rafe West. Ask me any questions, what you want to see, what you want to know about NYC. Okay? And I'll speak with you guys another time, all right? Peace.